Hi everyone, I'm just here for a quick second. I finally got my Hero Arts packages in the mail and I wanted to just do a quick haul and then I will get to work on some cards. I also ordered some new Copic markers that were brighter to go with this Hero Arts kit since it's kind of like retro and stuff, so I needed some more markers, so I got them. So let me see here. I will show you the kit last, and then these are just some things that I ordered. I already went ahead and took them out of the original packaging and put them how I like them and labeled them. So this isn't new or anything. This is just the Reef Border and Frame Fancy Die. I spent like $75 on one of the old kits, Hero Arts kits, about a month ago. It was like the fish one. I really, really wanted it, so I just was like, whatever. And I bought it. And I'm glad I actually did buy it when I did, because now I looked at them and they're all for like $120. So $75 is definitely better than that, but not as good as if I had been aware of it. But like I said, I've been out of the Stampy world for a while. Anyways, so I got this ocean frame die to go with that. And then I am obsessed with space, anything space, I love it. So I got this Milky Way window fancy die, which I thought was fun. I actually have this Altenew moon stamp that I've been playing with last night. So that kind of goes with that. Yeah, let's see. So these are the add-ons. The rest of them are add-ons for the My Monthly Hero kit that just came out. So this Hero Arts stylized Christmas trees, I thought those were pretty fun. And may your days be bright and merry. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Best wishes. Happy holidays. You shine as bright as the star on the top of the tree. And then I got the coordinating dies, which I have already cut apart. And then here is Meowie Christmas. I didn't get the dies for this one because I don't see myself using them. I'm probably just going to mask and stamp and create a scene. So this one has cats, and it says best wishes for a bright and happy holiday, happy new year, and Meowie Christmas. And then I got the Pop Art Fancy dies, which I decided to just put them in the back of this one to save a folder. So yeah, it's just like different shapes and everything that kind of go with the retro Christmas theme. And then I got the Hero Arts retro Christmas messages, and this one is so fun. It says happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Christmas time is here. Happy New Year. And then it says, it's the most wonderful time of the year. So I just really love this set, and I did go ahead and get the coordinating dies for this one. And then I just got, they had another background stamp, but I just got this one. I thought this one was really fun. And you don't have to just use it for like this. It can just be used for anything. And it is called Line and Dot Pattern Bold Prints. Oops. So I got that, and now I will show you, whoops, okay, I think I just stabbed the floor with my scissors. Oh, Lord. So this is obviously one of the larger Avery Elle folders, but you get this whole big caboodle here. It has so many elements, honestly. Like, I love this car. I already have some ideas in my head for the car. I have ideas already in my head for the living room setup, and I have ideas for the trees. But it says, have yourself a merry little Christmas. See you soon. Enjoy. Thank you. Rocking around the Christmas tree. Merry Christmas, and from our family to yours. So I have so many ideas for this kit. So I can't wait to start playing with that. So I do have... I might upload it today. I have another Stampin' Up tutorial. It has to do with the moose stamp set. And then after that, I'm just going to go ahead and start working on this for a while to give you guys something else to watch besides Stampin' Up. And then here are the coordinating dies. This kit is still available, so if you like what you see now, you can already just go buy it. I feel like I'm advertising for them. They should pay me for this. Or maybe my card ideas that I post will give you some ideas and make you want to go buy it. Like, what in the world? I am literally advertising for them. They need to pay me. Anyways, so I got that, and then this is what comes in the kit. You get a 6x8 clear set, coordinating frame dies, 2 sheets of 5x5 by 8.5 sheets of chrome paper, 6 sheets of assorted neon papers, clay snowflake embellishments, and then a half an ounce of Prisma glitter. So I actually haven't opened this yet, this part. These are interesting. I wonder if they sell these by themselves. These are kind of cool. And then you get this sparkle glitter stuff. I have a ton of this from Stampin' Up, but I love it. I just put, I don't think I have any around me, but I put like a sheet of adhesive, like it's like kind of like tape over my project, and then I just pour that on and then take my bone folder and really squash it into the adhesive, and it looks so cool on cards. Okay, so here's the card stock. You get this very bright pink. Whoa, 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 that is very bright. Very neon, yellowish green. We'll cover that up with the pink. This reminds me of like, the cardstock you would use on like your elementary school projects, where we were always choosing like the bright neon colors for our boards. You get this pretty green, this kind of neon red color, this tealy turquoise color. My fiance, this is like his favorite color, so maybe I'll make him a card with this. I don't think it's really showing up the exact color on my camera though. And then this pretty purple color, and then you get, whoa, that's blinding. Oh, there's my phone. Look at my cool Galaxy case. Like I said, I love space. So you get this. So, okay, I'm just gonna cover this up because I'm blinding myself with it. So that is what you get. So I will start coming up with some cards, and I will see you next time.